Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be reviewing student or educational documents and accounts and doing a lot of data entry, entering those student records into the system. The company is Perdacio Education Corporation. I hope I am saying that right. Just real quickly, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. But this company has 607 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a document coordinator. Now, this is remote, I do believe, for the United States only. But their document coordinator is going to be responsible for collection, organization, and monitoring of required documentation, which comprises of an academic file for the education system. Basic duties are going to be reviewing student records and information, ensuring that all the records adhere to the university policies and procedures, and doing data entry of student records and information into the system. You're going to maintain and archive all of these academic files and records, including control, collection, organization, documentation, evaluation, and monitoring of all these files for students in accordance with the deadlines. You're going to be processing a broad range of student records and documentation as initiated by the university, such as school grade changes, monitoring attendance, military portals, different things like that. You'll prepare data and monitor this data for the student records information, such as graduation, registration, term honors, and incomplete reports. So you may have to retrieve transcripts to complete student files for verification and just verify the document's validity and legitimacy, and do again all that data entry of those records into the system. Now, best part about this, even though they prefer some kind of associate's degree, only high school diploma or GED is required and some kind of entry-level administrative experience. Beyond that, they need you to have basic computer skills, great communication skills, and the ability to prioritize competing demands, so somebody who can be a multitasker. Pay for this position is anywhere from $35,000 a year up to $41,000 a year, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes paid time off, 401k, and health insurance. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything you're looking for. I do read those and try to keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.